Okay, so welcome to all of you. Now we are interested in find the solution of a differential equation. Okay, so linear differential equation. So we have seen what we mean by linear differential equation. We have seen the example of a linear differential equation, which is not a linear differential, which is a linear differential equation. So we have seen the examples of this also. Okay, so now we'll see how to find a solution of that linear differential equation. Okay. So first of all, we'll see how to find a general solution of a homogeneous linear differential equation. So for homogeneous linear differential equation, your f of x is 0. So that means this is your homogeneous linear differential equation of order 1. We will see how to find a solution of this differential equation. Okay. So okay. So let dy by dx plus p of x times y is equal to 0. We call this as 1. Okay. So first we will prove y is equal to c e raised to minus phi of x is a solution of 1. Is the solution of 1. Okay. So I given that phi of x is equal to integration of this phi prime x is p of x. This is provided to you. Phi prime x is provided to you. Okay. Okay, so this is your, we are not writing that your phi of x is integration of p of x and this. Okay, so we will not write. So what we have to do, we have to show that this satisfies this. Okay, so we will differentiate this. Dy by dx is equal to, we differentiate this. So dy by dx is equal to what? So this c is constant, e raised to minus phi of x into minus phi prime x. Minus phi prime x. Okay, so that means minus phi prime x, your phi prime is what? P of x. So this is what? Dy by dx is equal to minus c p of x into e raised to minus phi of x. Minus phi of x. Okay, so now we'll put in 1. Okay, so 1 implies that we'll put in 1. Okay, so 1 implies that. What is your 1? Dy by dx is what? Minus c p of x into e raised to minus phi of x. Okay, plus p of x into y. What is your y? Y is your c. Okay, so c into c e raised to minus phi of x. Okay, so this is equal to what? This is equal to c. This is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore y is equal to c e raised to minus phi of x is a solution of 1. Okay, now see, c is the arbitrary constant here, so it is a general solution. That means what we have to prove? Any solution. Now we will prove any solution of 1 is of the form y is equal to c e raised to minus phi of x. This will be true. Okay, so from 1 implies that dy by dx is equal to minus p of x y. I can write this is what? 1 upon y dy is equal to minus p of x dx. I can integrate this. So integration of 1 upon y dy is equal to minus p of x dx. So we have provided that integration of p of x is phi of x. Okay, so this is what? Log y, log of mod of y. Okay, so because log of the positive number is exist here, so this is what? Minus phi of x, because integration of p of x dx is provided to, this is phi of x. So mod y is equal to plus c1, suppose plus c1. Okay, we write c1. Okay, where c1 is the arbitrary constant, we are solving the differential equation is c1. So this is what? E to the power minus phi of x plus c1. So mod y is equal to e raised to c1 e raised to minus phi of x, right? So I can write, So this is always positive here. So therefore y is equal to c e raised to minus phi of x. Okay. So if positive, if y is greater than 0, then c is greater than 0. If y is less than 0, then c is less than 0. Then c is less than 0. So note this, where uh, where where c is equal to e raised to c1, where e raised to c1. That means what, you can take y is equal to, then c is equal to e raised to c1, and c is equal to e raised to minus e raised to c1 now. Okay, so now see, okay, so hence the theorem, okay. Now we'll see the examples on it now. We'll see the examples on it. Okay, find the general solution of dy by dx minus a y is equal to 0. Okay, solution, given that dy by dx minus ay is equal to 0. Okay, comparing this with dy by dx plus p of x times y is equal to 0. So therefore p of x is minus ay. Okay, the general solution of 1, we'll call this as 1, of 1 is y is equal to c e raised to minus phi of x. So phi of x means we will directly like phi of x is nothing but p of x dx. Phi of x is nothing but e raised to, okay, so we'll write a note now here. Okay, so this is what, then this is what, c e raised to minus, so that means e raised to ax, a dx, minus become plus now, a dx. So that is what, c e raised to ax. So y is equal to c e raised to x is the general solution of the equation. Okay, so you got this. Now next, we'll take the next problem. Okay, solve x y prime plus y is equal to 0, y of 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so we'll discuss this y of 1 is equal to 1 in later on. Okay, that means what, y of 1 is equal to 3 is provided to you. That means you want a particular solution, but a particular solution is obtained from the general solution. Okay, so that means first we have to obtain the general solution, and after that we will obtain a particular solution. Okay, solution, given that x y prime plus y is equal to 0, y prime plus 1 upon x, y is equal to 0. Comparing this with dy by dx plus p of x times y is equal to 0. So therefore p of x is equal to 1 upon x, and integration of p of x directly will take this, what, log of x. Okay, so phi of x is equal to this. Okay, therefore general solution of we'll call this as 1. Okay, general solution of equation 1 is y is equal to c e raised to minus phi of x. So c e raised to minus phi means log of x. So e raised to note that this e raised to log of f of x is f of x. Note this, e raised to minus log of f of x is 1 upon f of x. Remember this as a formula. Remember this as a formula. So this is what? C upon x. So y is equal to C upon x is the general solution. We call this as 2 now. This is the general solution. This is the general solution. Now we want a particular solution. So that means for x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 here. You have to find a value of c. Okay. So put y x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 into we get. Okay. So what is this? Y is equal to 3 c upon 1. So this implies that c is equal to 3. Okay. So therefore the particular solution of equation 1 is y is equal to 3 upon x is the particular solution. Okay. Okay, next problem. This is very simple now. Find general solution. Just I will write GS now. General solution of the homogeneous differential equation y prime. Y prime is same as dy is equal to 0. Okay, solution. You have to find a general solution. Okay, so given that y prime plus 3x square y is equal to 0. We call this as 1. Okay, comparing this with y prime plus p of x y is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore p of x is equal to 3x square. Okay, so phi of x is what? Integration of p of x dx. So what is the integration of this? 3. So this is what? 3x cube upon 3. 3x cube upon 3 means what? X cube means x cube. Okay, so therefore the general solution of equation 1 is y is equal to c e raised to minus phi of x. So y is equal to c e raised to minus phi of means what? E raised to minus x cube. E raised to minus x cube. Next, find a general solution of the homogeneous system xy prime plus log x y is equal to 0. Okay, solution given that xy prime plus log x y is equal to 0. You can shift this here, log x upon x times y is equal to 0. Okay, so comparing this equation with y prime plus p of x y is equal to 0. Okay, so p of x is what? P of x is log of x upon x. Now we'll take the integration of p of x dx is equal to integration of log of x upon x dx. Okay, so if you put u is equal to log x, so du is equal to 1 upon x dx. Oh, this is not a, okay, so this is phi of x. Okay, so phi of x is, so phi of x is equal to integration of, so log x is what? Log x is u and 1 upon x dx is du. So du, this is what? U square by 2. This is u. Don't add the constant now here. Okay, so u square by 2. So what is u? U is what? What is u? Log x. So this is what? Log x bracket square by 2. Log x bracket square by 2. Okay, So the general solution, just I will write general solution of equation 1 is what? Y is equal to c e raised to minus. So this is what? Log of x bracket square. This is upon 2. This is whole upon 2. Not don't take 2 inside the bracket now. 2 is outside the bracket. So take care of that. Okay. Now you cannot simplify this because this is not log of something. Okay. So you cannot simplify this. You will keep this as it is now. Okay. We'll take the next problem. Find the general solution of the homogeneous system of the homogeneous differential equation. Okay. So y prime x plus 1 upon x y is equal to 0. Y of 1 is equal to 1. This is provided to you. Y of 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So given that y prime plus x plus 1 upon x y, it is in the standard form. Okay. No problem for this is 1. Okay. Comparing this equation with y prime plus py. So what is your p of y? X plus 1 upon x. So I can write this is what? 1 plus 1 upon x. I can write this because denominator is single, you can divide this. Okay. So phi of x is this. This is what then? 1 upon 1 plus x dx. Okay. So what is this? Integration of 1 is x plus log x. Okay. So the general solution, you get the phi of x. General solution of equation 1 is y is equal to c e raised to minus phi of x. Just we'll write the formula. Okay. So c e raised to minus x plus log x. Okay. We'll keep this as it is. We'll see what happened there. Okay. So we'll put x is equal to 1. We have to find a particular solution. This is your general solution. You got the general solution. You want a particular solution. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 into we get. So y is equal to 1. So 1 c e raised to minus 1 plus 0 now. Because log 1 is 0. So that is what? 1 is equal to c e raised to minus 1. E raised to minus 1. So c is equal to e now. C is equal to e. So we'll write this as what? So therefore, the particular solution of equation 1 is y is equal to e raised to minus x plus log x. Okay. You may write this is what? You may write y is equal to e raised to 1 minus x minus log x. If you want to simplify, you can simplify this. Okay. So see, if you want to simplify this, you can write this is what? E raised to 1 minus x into e raised to minus log x. Right? And e raised to minus log x is 1 upon x. So this is what? E raised to 1 minus x upon just x. This is the particular solution. Okay. If you don't want that, okay, so then it will be the required answer now. Next. X y prime differential x y prime plus 1 plus x cot x y is equal to 0. Y of pi by 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Solution. Given that this, we'll call this as 1. Okay. So don't write that y pi by 2 is equal to 2. Okay. That will write it later on. Okay. So now we have to divide by x now. Okay. Y prime is equal to y prime plus I will write this is what? 1 by x plus cot x times y is equal to 0. Okay. Comparing this with y prime plus p of x times y is equal to 0. So your p of x is what? P of x is 1 upon x plus cot x. 1 upon x plus cot x. Okay. So now phi of x. Phi of x is integration of p of x dx. Integration of 1 upon x plus cot x dx. So this is 1 upon x is log x. 1 upon x is log x. Cot x means what? Cos x upon sin x. So cos x upon sin x. And if you want to integrate numerator of denominator, try to see whether the derivative of denominator is at the numerator or not. Okay. So see, derivative of sin x is cos x. If the derivative of the denominator is at the numerator, then the integration is the numerator log of the denominator plus log of sin x. Plus log of sin x. So this is what? Log of x sin x now. Log of x sin x. Okay. So now the general solution. We write the general solution now. You get the phi of x. Okay. This is very simple now. The general solution of equation 1 is y is equal to c e raised to minus phi of x. So this is c e raised to minus log of x sin x. So e raised to minus log of f of x. So this is what? C upon x sin x. So this is your general solution. Now you want a particular solution. We call this as 2 now. Okay. Put x is equal to pi by 2. Put x is equal to pi by 2. Y is equal to into we get. Okay. So this is 2 is equal to c upon pi by 2. Pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Okay. So into 1. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Okay. So this simply we want to find the value of c now. We have to assign the particular value or to the arbitrary constant so that we will get a particular solution. Okay. So now this pi by 2 is multiplied here. Then c is pi now. Your c is pi. 2 into pi by 2 is pi now. Okay. So therefore the particular solution of equation 1 is the particular solution of equation 1 is y is equal to c. What is c? Pi. Pi upon x sin x. Pi upon x sin x. So this is your particular solution. Now suppose we will solve some examples directly whether we can okay. Suppose you have the equation dy by dx is equal to minus y. Okay. We want the solution of this one. You can shift this y to this side. See, this is what I can write. This is 1 by y. Okay. So this is what dy by dx is equal to y. Okay. So 1 by y dx. So this is what log of y is equal to x plus c. Okay. So y is equal to what then? E raised to x plus c. I will write this c1 now. This is what? E raised to c1 e raised to x. So c e raised to x. So solution of this differential equation is what? Y c e raised to x. This is the general solution of this. Okay. Or if c is not there, you may say this is what? If you don't want this, right? C1, if you are not taking the c1, then y is equal to just e raised to x is the solution. If you want the general solution, then you have to take the plus c1 now here. Okay. So that will be the solution. Now what is the solution of this differential equation then? How to find this? Minus twice y is equal to 0. So just what? Dy by dx is equal to twice y. Okay. So I can write this is y here, then what? 1 by y dy is equal to twice x dx. Twice dx. Integrate this. This is what? Log y is equal to twice x. So y is equal to e raised to twice x. Okay. If you want general solution, just write this is what? C1 c e raised to twice x. Just attach c only. This will be the general solution. Okay. So just solution of this differential equation what? E raised to twice x. E raised to twice x. Okay. Suppose this differential equation dy by dx is equal to e raised to x upon e raised to y. So what is that then? This is what? E raised to y dy is equal to e raised to x dx. So directly we can do this one. This is what you can write. Okay, so integrating this is what e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus c1. Okay, so this will be what the general solution. If you want only the solution, y of 0 is equal to 0. So if y is 0, put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then this is what 1 1, and this 1 1 get cancelled, so c is equal to 0. That means what e raised to y is equal to e raised to x. That means e raised to x minus e raised to y. See, both are the solution. E is equal to 0 or e raised to x minus e raised to y is equal to 0. Both are just a solution, particular solution of the differential equation. Okay. So one thing is that okay, so we have solved the number of problems actually. So I will give the exercise for you. You can solve the number of problems on it. You can do this fastly. Do this orally. 1, 2, x square y plus y is equal to 0. Do this problem orally. Okay? I hope that you can orally solve these two problems. Okay. So now we'll stop here, and then we will see how to solve the linear non-homogeneous linear differential equation. Okay, in the next session. Okay, so now we stop here. Okay.